Okay, so hi everyone, Senan on this side, and currently I'm way too sleepy to solve this problem, but I was seeing this blind 75 list and I think I saw this question, so I thought why not give it a try. As you could see, I have currently not solved this, but well, if you look at the test cases right here, it's quite obvious. Given the root stays as it is, but what you have to do, like, the left child and the right child should be exchanged similarly in this as well. So 7 is on the left side, 2 is on the right side. For 7 you see 6 and 9, so the order is changed, 9 and 6. Similarly for 2, left is 1, right child is 3. Here that's the opposite, so basically you need to swap, right? So there are basically two ways. Either I can just swap the children and then swap the parent, and the other way is, like, first of all I would swap these two nodes 2 and 7 for example, and then I would recursively call for those elements. That's one way. The second way would be either I invert the subtrees or both the childs, and then I interchange the nodes 2 and 7. So I would go by the first way because that would be some sort of tail recursion, right? So I don't think there would be any difference, but anyways, if, like, the base case would be if root is either null, so I return the root itself, right? There would be no change. Now what I do is I swap their left and right children. So for that I need a temporary node, node star, say called temp is equal to root left, right? And what I do is I just swap this. So root left is equal to root right, and I do the same thing for the right one. So root right is, since the left one is already updated in this line, so I would take this temp and just place it here. So that is the basic method how you swap two elements. Then what I just do is I call this recursively for the subtrees. So I call in, so do I need a return value, right? So it's called invert tree for root left child, and same I call this for the right child. And what I do is I return the root itself, right? I don't actually, so since there is a return value associated with this, I won't actually do that because that is already taken care by this above statement. Let's see if this runs. I hope so it does. So yeah, it is accepted. Let's see if this works when I submit this. And yeah, this is accepted, although the runtime is one of the lowest that I have seen, but anyways, this works. So I won't be going over Java or Python, but let's see. The logic would be same, right? Do the same thing, and if you are having some trouble with some other languages of all this, you just take this C code, copy this, ask ChatGPT to convert it into an equivalent Java or Python code. But more or less I assume that you would know how to solve this. If you understand what is the logic, you would be easily able to do. So anyways, that was the video. I know it's a short video. Hope this helped any one of you, at least one of you. That is more than enough. If you're hearing some noise, I apologize. I'm in a hostel. I cannot do anything about that noise. Next thing is yeah, if you want, you can subscribe. If you don't, at least share it with someone who needs it. So anyways, bye.